Hello viewers, in today's math tutorial we want to solve this exponential equation 27 raised to power x equals to 216. So first we are going to take the logarithm of both sides. This is going to leave us with the logarithm of 27 to power x equals to the logarithm of 216. But from one of the laws of logarithms, when we have the logarithm of a to power b, it is b times the logarithm of a. Therefore, log 27 to power x gives x log 27, and that is equal to log 216. We divide both sides by log 27. Thus, x is going to be log 216 over log 27. Now, 216 can be expressed as a power, so we have log 6 raised to power 3 over log 3 raised to power 3. And from the law of logarithm we earlier used, x is 3 log 6 over 3 log 3, where 3 cut out 3, meaning that x becomes log 6 over log 3. Then we write log 6 as the product of 3 and 2 over log 3. And from another law of logarithms, when we have the log of a product, log a times b, it is the log of a plus the log of b, that is the sum of their logs. Therefore, x becomes log 3 plus log 2 over log 3, which can separate to log 3 over log 3 plus log 2 over log 3. That is, x is going to be 1, that's for log 3 over log 3, plus log 2 over log 3. X is 1 plus, with log 2 being 0.3010 and log 3 being 0.4771. X is 1 plus 0.631 when the division is made, and x will be 1.631. We are yet to do so. Hitting on the notification button to get more updates about our activities and tutorials.